Abeluleki ngezobudlelwano bothando bathi lesi isikhathi sokuthi izithandani zilungise uthando lwazo njengoba kumiswe yonke into ezweni. Ngesikhathi kumiswe yonke into eChina kuthiwa izinga lezehlukaniso laliphezulu kakhulu.
Njengoba kumiswe yonke into ezweni, izithandani ziyaphoqeka ukuthi zihlale ndawonye sonke isikhathi. Kulezi izithandani, lesi isikhathi sokubuyisana nokuqinisa ubudlelwano bazo.
I feel very excited and happy with the situation at the present moment, and so far it's working well for us as a family. And then also I'm assisting her with the course that she's doing then, because I did the course previously then, where she lacks then I'm there to help as a helping hand then.
I'm happy because I've learned so many things from my partner, those that I didn't know before. I'm learning more from my assignment.
Izithandani eziningi zinenkolelo yokuthi kulesi sikhathi se-lockdown kufanele abathandanayo baxazulule izinkinga zabo uma benazo.
We know that the tendency has been whenever there are problems, we'll say, I just want to cool down and I'll go outside. Even if you go outside, when you come back, the problem is still there, it's existing. So you rather sit down and utilize this time positively, so by sitting down with your partner.
Ukuxhumana kumqoka kulesi sikhathi se-lockdown.
Open doors of communication. Let's communicate as husband and wife. Maybe we've been distant because of our work or occupations, whatever it is that kept us separate in the past. Let's try and communicate as much as possible.
Izazi zithi ukwazana kahle nokuhloniphana othandweni isona sihluthulelo sempumelelo emshadweni.